Me is a Jamaican and I love my sea fish. Today I go down at the bay and pick up some nice 2 pound and 1 pound parrot and snapper fish. My wife, also being a fish lover, decides that she go fry them and then escovitch them for me. So first, she apply the black pepper and the all-purpose seasoning. Then she gently massage the seasoning in the fish and make it marinate for 30 to 45 minutes. After the fish done marinate, it was my time to take over. So I drop in the coal in the pot, I get some chip and light it. After the coal stove catch, I wash out the frying pan, put it on the coal stove and make all of the water dry out. Then I apply my cooking oil to it and make the oil hot. Then I start dropping my 1 pound parrot and my 1 pound snapper. While doing all of this, my wife meticulously cut up the carrot, cut up the onion, cut up the hot pepper. So as soon as all of the fish done fry, she put on her well decorated and marinated escovitch sauce on the fish. Una think a KFC alone finger licking good? Una need to try this escovitch fish. Finger licking good, me tell you. Yum. Escovitch fish has never tasted this good.